Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are them? Guys, in today's video, I'll be doing a gym haul. The brand of the clothing is For and You. These are some gym clothes that I'm going to be wearing now to the gym. So I want to show you what I have. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. And let's jump into the video.
Hi guys, so the first outfit is blue and black. I really appreciate this. This is a blue top. The black part is actually mesh, so that back part there is mesh. It really holds my body together, the shorts, and it has some stitches in it that holds your body together. It's a high waist. I do have on my Skylife hat. You don't know, the baby blue with a darker blue shade, but this outfit is one of my favorite pieces. Now the second outfit is really black, like more like armish, and it still has the same fabric like the one before. It's like a spandex fabric. It fits your body perfectly. It holds your body together, give you a wicked shape. The leg area there is army, and you know that army is coming in right now again, so that's why I got this. The breast part though, I need to take out the padding in the breast. I don't like it. I think I'm gonna wear it without the padding. I have on my Skylife hat, the white with the purple print. You don't know, in the building clean. Now the next outfit is pink. The pink Skylife hat, baby pink with the rose pink shade. First and foremost, I had this top before. It's pink and gray. I thought it went well with the bottom, that's why I wore it. This fabric, however, is a bit more flexible than the others, so it fits more comfortable. It still holds my body together, and it has a design on it, and I really like it. Squat proof and everything. I really like this one. Now the other one that we'll be looking on, it has a spandex material just the same. It's pink and black with black prints on the side, but I have on the Skylife hat, baby pink and rose pink, a black top. It's a workout bra. Now the pants, as I said, it's spandex black, but it has the pink shade like the one that I just had on before on the side for the design. It's squat proof and everything in the building. So yeah, I really like this. Now this outfit that I'll be showing you now, it's not from For You, but this was an outfit that I picked out because I really love this tights. It's a high waist tight. It fit my body perfectly. It gives me a wicked shape. Squat proof is up and everything. I really like it. Now this top, I bought a medium, but the medium was too big. I should have gotten a small, so I have to adjust the top, but the color is so nice. I really like the side part and the design at the back. I think that it is wicked. I really appreciate it. So these are the outfits that I got, and this is what I'll be wearing in the gym. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you.